given that you are often talking about the psychology of the customer and understanding the
Mm,
customer, and I'm coming more from an aspect of the whole tracking and the structure, do you
mhm.
see how these two different topics knit together, or would you say that they're completely different?
Uh, Uni actually, I think both coincide in a very different way, but they can't live without it. So every day, whether we are targeting in a proper, conscious way or not, at the end of the day, we have to work the way that is the right way. I mean, we talk about more of personalized, privacy-oriented content marketing or even the paid marketing. What is it exactly? So it is exactly based on what we get the insights from the data that is governed as per the users or customers' privacy protected laws. So tracking all of the behavior, like what was their average duration on the website? What was the reason that they got back the bounce rate? And how much they spent time on that? What was the duration of their session? What they got? What was their activity look like on the website? And what is the most important pages for them? What kind of content really intrigue them? So everything based on that, or even we can get the source of the source of the traffic. What is it that gives them the most excitement that the people want to share their thoughts on and then lead that into your website. So analyzing all of this data with other KPIs, or even you can say with other factors that comes under the umbrella of conversion tracking is very important, because at the end of the day, what matter, what we are spending on the dollars on our marketing budget, is it really working the way we want it or not? We can spend a lot of time in our marketing using creatives, videos, and everything that's going to matter. That does not gonna give us the return as we want, but if that is based on the insights that we got from the data. So both has to be in place. If not, then we are losing amount of money. But it can be taken on different stages of the campaigns. For example, we should start from the like funnel building complete process. Conversion tracking is very useful to set up, monitor, and test and again when it is fully matured. It's better to use it effectively in the bottom of the funnel campaign, so that it gives us exact what we wanted, not the waste of money, not distractions, not anything that we were not hoping for.
Mm-hmm. I
Yeah,
totally
what do
agree.
you think? Yeah.
Yeah, I totally agree with what you're saying. And I really liked this idea that you said about it has to happen, or the way that I understood what you said, it has to happen at the same time, right? We have to be on an ongoing journey, and both the whole conversion tracking and the campaign structure and all of the nerdy things that I'm into needs to be happening at the same time as understanding the customer journey. Because in the end, the way that I see it is that tracking helps us to, it's like a loop, right? Tracking helps us to understand the customer journey, and then we can improve the tracking once we have understood the customer journey and what the customer actually wants, and as you said, how they're using the website, how long they're spending on different pages, how do they navigate their way through. So it's like a continual feedback loop, and it's the same with the campaign structure, right? So if we see that the customers need more kind of engagement campaigns, maybe some upper funnel campaigns, then we adapt the campaign structure. If we see we can go right ahead in with the lower funnel campaigns, then we adapt as we go
Mhm.
along. So even I got an insight based on what you said, because I was thinking about it as two separate, or not exactly separate, but I guess two different projects. But the more that I'm thinking about it, and based on what you just said, it's two different projects, but they're very enmeshed and they're happening at the exact same time.